Hello children, welcome to my channel Online Study with Vinay, and today we are starting a new topic that is called what is silk, its definition, how it is produced and what is their history. Okay, so keep watching this video till end. Thank you. Silk is a fine, strong and shining protein fiber produced by silkworms in making their cocoons. Silk is the strongest natural fiber. The best known silk is obtained from the cocoons of the larva of mulberry silkworm and the Bombyx mori. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Silk was discovered in China near about 3000 BC. Understand? And in that time, slowly, the travelers and the trade people start coming from China to India, and slowly the between India and China, a route is developed. From there, silk trade is started by silk trade travelers between India and China. Okay, silk production. Producing silk cloth is a lengthy and complex process. And to achieve a high quality product, one must take a wide range of factors into account. Okay, stages of productions. The female silk moth lays circa 300 to 500 eggs on a mulberry tree. Can see the picture. Larva means caterpillar hatch out of the eggs. They are called silkworms. Third, the silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Means when they come out or hatch out, they start eating. Understand? Fourth, as the silkworm grow bigger, they need to molt several times. Fifth, after having gone through its fourth stage, the silkworm is ready to transform into a moth. It climbs to a twig and starts extruding a silk fiber to spin a net. They spin the net around its body. While the net is holding the silkworm, the animal swings repeatedly from side to side in a figure 8 pattern. Means it makes the 8 pattern. Right, we wrote now. While doing this, it is distributing fibrin protein and a gum called sericin from its two salivary glands. Point 7th. The silk solidifies when it comes into contact with air. Means it becomes tightened. 8th. The silkworm gradually encloses itself in a cocoon. Means it's wrap around the silk. Making a complete cocoon typically takes 2 or 3 days. Means ninth, the intact cocoon is harvested within the silkworm is still inside. The cocoon are boiled, killing the silkworm. The hot water also removes the sericin. Sericin is the sticky material, the gum-like material. And 11th point, the cocoon is brushed to locate the outer end of the filament. Understand? And the last point, 12th, the filament means a thread like structure, is bound on a reel on which the thread is wrapped, which is used to mount on a machines. At this point, the product is called raw silk, and this is the trade things. It takes roughly 2500 cocoons to produce a pound of raw milk, 1 pound. A silk thread is comprised of several filaments, means several threads, and several threads can be piled to form a yarn. Typically, one thread will consist of between 5 and 8 filaments